Like, all right, like this happened. Yeah, you got punched in your mouth, right? You got your butt whooped, man. But you're still standing. You woke up today. All right, it's time to fight again. It's time to get right. Then you just gotta keep going. Like in my mind, there's no other option. Like there's. Until this thing right here, whatever you prayed about, whatever you talked about from the jump, until this thing is accomplished, until the mission is complete, until you complete all your objectives, whatever the case might be, it's not over until it's over.
It ain't over till it's over.
It's not over until it's over.
I was just about to say that.
Yeah, it's not over until it's over. And then if God keeps waking you up, that means I ain't done with you yet. We still got some work. Let's get it. Like, yeah, you've been crying and stuff, but come on, come on. We got work. I can't. This train don't move without you. Like